Introducing the new Power Whitening Toothbrush by Rembrandt. Inspired by professional dental tools, the whitening toothbrush can help you achieve 8 times whiter teeth in just 5 days when used with a Rembrandt toothpaste. The oscillating brush head and diamond-shaped bristles remove hard-to-fight surface stains, resulting in 7 times more plaque removal than a regular manual toothbrush. With whitening and sensitive modes, the Rembrandt Power Toothbrush allows users to customize their daily whitening experience. For maximum results, pair the Rembrandt Whitening Toothbrush with the brand's complete suite of at-home teeth whitening solutions. To learn more, visit Rembrandt.com.